The objective of the stacker station is to stack corrugated pieces. The equipment used during this process is the air float table, roller conveyor, and stacking equipment. The materials used during this process are the corrugated piece and the corrugated separating pieces. These photos depict the stacker station and the dimensions of the workspace. Considering the worker height ranges from 5 feet 7 inches to 5 feet 11 inches, or 67 to 71 inches tall, this affects how the employees interact with the product and equipment throughout the day. The process for the stacker station is to position 2 corrugated dividers on the stacking equipment and then retrieve a stack of corrugated material. This process repeats 12 times and is often completed retrieving 2 stacks at a time. The stack is then positioned on the stacking equipment and the edges of the stack are pushed in order to straighten them. Next, the stacking equipment is activated to lower the layer, and then product label sheets are added in between stacks. It was noticed that awkward postures and forceful exertions were observed from the employees to interact with the workspace. Forceful exertions are required to retrieve, position, and straighten edges of stacks of corrugated material. Forceful exertions and elevated arms are required to retrieve and position the layer dividers, while forward bending of the neck and torso and sideways bending of the torso are seen to retrieve a stack of corrugated material. Forward bending of the neck and torso and sideways bending of the torso are required to position the stack of corrugated material. Contact stress between the hand and edges of the cardboard case is seen throughout the tasks, and contact stress between the hand and forearm and edges of the corrugated divider is seen as well. To summarize this process, the stacker station is a high-paced job requiring forceful exertions to retrieve, position, and straighten the stacks of corrugated material and the layer dividers. In addition, awkward postures of the neck, torso, and arms are seen, and localized contact stress between the hands and forearms and the edges of the corrugated material were observed as well. The following recommendations are made for the stacker station tasks. Investigate tools and mechanization to help position stacks of corrugated material on stacking equipment to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions. Consider using tools to straighten stacks of corrugated material to decrease forceful exertions, localize contact stress, and posture stress. Investigate the use of sit-stand chairs to reduce sustained exertions. Thank you.